Hello my students, welcome to NAC Academy. In this video I'm going to discuss exercise number 6, section number 3, that is section number 25 onwards, the chapter algebra. We are discussing substitution. So I have explained the previous 24 questions with my two previous videos. So in this video I am going to continue with the section 3, which is exercise number 6 on page number 56 of your textbook. So the values are given as x equals -2, y equals to -1, and the value of k is equals to 0. So I will continue question number 25 onwards. So I put question number 25, that is 3x plus 1. So then again 3x, so you can multiply 3 multiply by 2 plus 1. 3 multiplied by 2 is equals to -6. -6 plus 1, as I said earlier, minus you can always consider as your credit that you need to give someone. Plus means your money, the amount of money which is in your hand. So -6 plus 1, so you give that 1 rupee, so your balance is 5. That balance is your credit, therefore you put -5. And question number 26 is 2y plus 5. So you multiply 2 by -1. You multiply 2 by -1 and plus 5. So 2 multiplied by -1 is equals to -2 and plus 5. So your answer is plus 3, because you have 5 rupees in your hand, your credit is 2. So when you give 2 rupees, the balance is your money, which is plus 3. And question number 27 is 6k plus 4. So the value of k is equals to 0, so I am going to replace k by 0 plus 4. So any number you multiply by 0 in mathematics you get 0. 6 multiplied by 0 is 0. Any number you multiply by 0, the answer will be 0. So 0 plus 4 is equals to 4. Let's go to question number 28. So my question number 28 is 3x plus 2y. So we know the value of x is given -2. So I replace that value with y, and the value of y is equals to -1. So since it is a negative value, I write I mentioned within brackets. So again plus multiply by minus is minus, 3 multiplied by 2 is 6, again plus multiply by minus is minus, 2 multiplied by 1 is 2. Eventually the final answer is -6 minus 2 is equals to -8. And question number 29 is 2k plus x. So 2k is equals to 0, the value given k is 0, so 2 multiplied by 0 plus, and x is -2, so I write again within brackets. So here you get 0, and here plus into minus is -2, so 0 minus 2 is equals to -2. Let's go to question number 30, that is xy. So xy means x multiplied by y. So the value of x is given -2, and the value of y is given -1. So it is a very easy question. So minus multiplied by minus is plus, 2 multiplied by 1 is 2. So that is question number 30. Let's look at question number 31, that is xk. So again x multiplied by k. So x is equals to -2 and k is equals to 0. So as I said earlier, any number, whether it is positive number or negative number, any number you multiply by 0 is equals to 0. Let's go to question number 32, that is 2xy. Again 2xy means 2 multiplied by x multiplied by y. So 2 multiplied by x is equals to minus 2 and y is equals to minus 1. So again, as you can see, since it is a multiplication, you can go together without any issue. So 2 multiplied by 2 is 4, again 4 multiplied by 1 is 4, and make sure you put the correct operator, plus multiplied by minus. So here you have plus, here it is minus, so plus multiplied by minus is minus, again minus multiplied by minus is plus. So your final answer is plus 4. Let's go to question number 33. 2 times of open bracket x plus k close bracket. So here you have two, you can tackle this question in two ways. So let's see, one is that you can first open these brackets by multiplying by 2 in each, so that you get 2x plus 2k. That is one way. Otherwise you can substitute the value of x and k and you can simplify that as well. Either way is correct. So since I open these brackets by multiplying the number, so I'll write 2 multiplied by x is equals to minus 2 and plus into 2 multiplied by k is equals to 0. So here I know anyway the value is 0, plus here the symbol is plus, plus into minus is minus 4. So minus 4, 0 is eventually equals to minus 4. That is question number 33. Let's go to question number 34. Question number 34 is 3 times of k plus y. So let's do this in the other way. So I write 3 here, and I know the value of k is equals to 0 and the value of y is equals to minus 1. So I put a curly bracket here. So 0 plus minus 1. So why I use the curly bracket? Since I know the value of y is equals to minus 1, so I must write the negative values within bracket. So it's easy if I use this bracket. Otherwise you can use a big bracket over here and a small bracket over here. No, it's not an issue. So here you get 3. So bracket refers to multiplication. 0, so you get 0 minus 1, because plus into minus is minus, 0 minus 1. So eventually 3 multiplied by minus 1, so that is equals to minus 3. Question number 35 is 5x minus y. So 5 multiplied by x is equals to minus 2, and minus again y is equals to minus 1. So when I multiply these two, I get minus 10, and here minus into minus is equals to plus 1. So minus 10 plus 1 is equals to minus 9. And the last question is question number 36, that is 3k minus 2x. So we know the value which I supposed to substitute for k is 0 minus 2 multiplied by x is equals to minus 2. So here 3 multiplied by 0 is 0, again minus into minus is plus, 2 multiplied by 2 is equals to 4. So 0 plus 4 is equals to 4. So that's how you simplify this substitution related algebraic expressions for this exercise. So I have covered up the exercise 6 with all 36 questions with my 3 videos. So I hope you have understood how to simplify negative values and positive values when it comes to addition and subtraction, also multiplication. If you have any questions, if you need to clarify anything, you can always leave a comment, and my contact number is mentioned. You can personally contact me through WhatsApp, and if you have any doubts, that you are always welcome. Also please like this video and share this video among your friends, and do not forget to subscribe our channel NAK Academy. So let's meet you up with another video session with the upcoming exercise, which is exercise number 7. Thank you students, take care.